For thousands of years, people who come from within, who know the system absolutely well, those people have formulated some things. Upstarts who do not know one thing from the other are modifying it. This is just irresponsible, that's all. Absolutely irresponsible. When you're talking about yoga, if you mishandle it, it could cause immense damage to a person.
Sadhguru has continuously warned on many things commonly done in today's modern yoga studios that are actually considered as serious mistakes as per the yogic tradition. And some practices may even be harmful to your system. Yoga was never created just to make your body flexible. It was designed as a powerful inner technology to transform the way your body, mind and energy functions. In this video, we will uncover 7 things you should never do while practicing yoga, as suggested by Sadhguru. But unfortunately, these have become completely normal in today's modern yoga culture. And trust me, the mistake number 7 will change your perception on yoga. Never listen to music while doing yoga. In most modern yoga studios, there is always music playing like calming chants, soft beats, ambient sounds, constantly pulling your attention outwards. But according to classical Hatha yoga, silence is considered a powerful tool. The moment you start following music, your awareness goes outwards with the sound instead of turning inward. True yoga happens when your attention sinks into your breath, your energy and your inner experience. In absolute silence, the body aligns naturally and the real process of yoga begins. So one should never ever listen to music while practicing yoga. Next is the hot yoga. These days, doing yoga in a heated studio to make one really dripping in sweat within minutes is considered as intense workout. But according to classical Hatha yoga, practicing yoga in extreme heat can raise what yogic science calls Ushna or the internal heat. Ushna, if rises, it's believed to create imbalance in the system and even cellular damage over time. Traditionally, yoga is practiced during the cooler parts of the day, generally before 8:30 in the morning and after 4:30 in the evening, when the temperature stays below 32 degrees Celsius. Yoga is not a workout, it's an inner process. Yoga clothes. Clothes made of synthetic material and tight fits that are commonly offered as yoga outfits actually negatively impacts one's yoga practice. Loose, unstitched clothing are the best yoga clothes. The idea is there should be as little obstruction as possible. Also, when clothing is stitched, the movement of energy gets restricted to some extent. Yoga practitioners should not wear synthetic clothing such as the kind that athletes wear. Wearing loose-fitting clothing made of organic cotton or silk are the best ones. No talking during the asanas is not just a norm, it's a rule. You must never ever speak in postures because your focus, breath and what happens to your energy system are most important. Otherwise, you will disturb the system. So in a way, asanas are a dynamic way of meditating. If you speak, so many things will change dramatically, not just physiologically, but in energy parameters also. So you should avoid speaking while doing yoga practice. In modern yoga studios, the teachers guide to get into the posture or adjust if one is not aligned in the posture. But according to classical Hatha yoga, no one should touch another's body while practicing yoga. Every person carries their own energy geometry. When someone touches you during your practice, even with a good intention, they can disturb that geometry. Yoga is about aligning your own system, your body, your mind, and your energies into a certain balance. The moment someone's influence enters, that process gets disturbed. The culture of using mirrors has come from bodybuilding and gymnasiums because they want to admire their bodies. While practicing yoga, we never use them. We keep our eyes closed throughout the practice because yoga is not a performance, it's perception and happens best with your eyes closed. So internalization happens best when your eyes are closed. Today, modern yoga is all about flexibility, twisting and turning, and how to get into an impossible posture. But according to classical Hatha yoga, physical flexibility is useful, but that should not be the goal. Asanas are just a small preparatory aspect of yoga. But unfortunately, they have been propagated as the whole of yoga. When your body becomes still, your breath becomes subtle, and your mind stops chasing, that's when something extraordinary starts to unfold. You will begin to experience yoga not as a posture, but as a union, a state where body, mind, and energy functions as one. If this happens, you will realize flexibility of the body is not that important. So yoga is not just about twisting and turning your body. If you found this information useful, please share it to spread more and more awareness. Namaskar.